How can you negotiate a non-compete agreement? Have you ever wondered how to navigate the tricky waters of a non-compete agreement? If you are entering a new job or considering a career change, understanding how to negotiate these agreements is essential. Non-compete agreements can impact your future job prospects, so let's break down how to approach this negotiation effectively. First, it is wise to consult with an employment attorney. They can review the non-compete agreement and help you understand its legality and fairness. Laws about non-compete agreements differ by location, and an attorney can clarify whether the terms are enforceable or too restrictive. Next, focus on the key elements of the agreement. One important aspect is the time frame. Many non-compete agreements specify a duration during which you cannot work for competitors. Courts generally favor shorter durations, often 1 year or less. If the proposed period is longer, negotiate to shorten it. Aim for a time frame that protects the employer's interests without limiting your career options too much. Another critical element is the geographic scope. The agreement should only restrict you in areas where the employer actually operates. Broad restrictions, like statewide or nationwide bans, can be excessive. Narrowing the scope can help you maintain your ability to find work in your field. You should also consider the industry or activity restrictions. The clause should only target industries or activities that directly compete with your employer. If it prevents you from working in unrelated fields, that may be too broad. Clarifying and limiting the scope can help protect your career while still addressing the employer's needs. If the employer insists on a non-compete, think about proposing alternatives. For instance, a non-solicitation agreement could be a good option. This type of agreement prevents you from soliciting the employer's clients or employees but allows you to work in the same industry. This can help keep your career options open. Lastly, discuss financial considerations. It can be beneficial to negotiate for compensation during the restricted period. This could include severance pay, continued benefits, or a lump sum payment. Such arrangements can help ease the financial impact of being unable to work in a competing role. Throughout the negotiation process, aim for a balanced agreement. You want to protect the employer's confidential information and business interests without imposing unreasonable limits on your career growth. Understanding the legal standards and using strategic negotiation points can help you reach terms that are fair and workable. Negotiating a non-compete agreement requires legal insight, clear communication about your career goals, and a willingness to suggest reasonable changes. By following these steps, you can navigate this process effectively and secure a better future for your career.